For the best price, click the link in the description. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Akaso Brave 8, a budget-friendly action camera that's been making waves online. But here's what surprised me about this product. Its exceptional video quality and robust features at an unbeatable price point. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and high-performing camera without breaking the bank, keep reading to see why I think the Akaso Brave 8 is a game-changer. As someone who's been in the market for a new action camera, I was initially hesitant about trying out another budget-friendly option. However, after extensive research and digging into reviews from fellow enthusiasts and experts, I discovered that the Akaso Brave 8 offers some remarkable features that set it apart from its competitors. But what exactly makes this camera so special? Let's dive deeper into 3 compelling reasons why you should consider giving the Akaso Brave 8 a try. Firstly, the Akaso Brave 8 boasts an impressive 4K video resolution at 30 FPS. This is quite a feat considering its affordable price tag. But I was even more impressed by its ability to record stunning 120 FPS slow-motion footage in full HD, which makes it perfect for capturing thrilling moments like skydiving or racing. Therefore, if you're an adrenaline junkie or simply love recording high-quality videos on the go, the Akaso Brave 8 is definitely worth checking out. But what about its durability and build quality? As it turns out, the camera features a ruggedized design with IP67 waterproof certification, ensuring that it can withstand even the most extreme environments. This means you can take it with you on your next outdoor adventure without worrying about it getting damaged. However, I was surprised to find that the Akaso Brave 8 also comes equipped with an impressive array of advanced features, including electronic image stabilization eyes, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless streaming and transfer of files. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this one's definitely worth considering. Now, let's talk about its battery life and power management. The Akaso Brave 8 boasts an impressive 1400 mAh battery capacity, which provides an estimated 4 hours of continuous recording time. While this might not be the longest battery life on the market, it's certainly respectable considering its compact size. But what really sets the Akaso Brave 8 apart is its compatibility with a wide range of accessories, including the popular DJI Osmo Action 2. Therefore, if you're already invested in a particular ecosystem or have specific requirements for your camera setup, this one might be an excellent choice. In conclusion, after putting the Akaso Brave 8 through its paces and exploring its features, I'm convinced that it's an exceptional value proposition for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed action camera on a budget. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new camera or simply want to upgrade your existing setup, I highly recommend checking out the Akaso Brave 8. For the best price, click the link in the description to get started today.